Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Silverado 2500. Stock number is A7872. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors, going to keep you nice and safe. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. There's a spray-in bed liner here, keeping the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. Down here you have two USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23, but you can also check us out on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.